take a look at the next one. Simplify. We have 54 a to the power of minus 3/4 b to the power of 5 over 2a to the power of minus 2 b to the power of 2 and the whole thing is to the power of 2/3. Okay. Those of you logged in online, you want to tell me what would be the first step? Okay, those of you with the microphone, you can just go there and click on it and respond. Okay, there a few of you says to reduce 45 and 2. They're reducible, yeah. So let's do that. This would becomes 1. So it becomes 27. Okay, we have a property a to the power of n over a to the power of m. Can everybody type for me or tell me what is this equal to? That would be a to the power of what? What do we do with the exponents? Okay, Karen says a to the power of n minus m. That's correct. You subtract the exponents. So in this case, this happened to be the we're having a fraction, so that would be 27 a to the power of minus 3/4 minus 2 over 1. The whole thing is go over 1, go to top of the fraction. You can do the same thing with b. That would be b to the power of 5 minus 2. And the whole thing would be to the power of 2/3. What is minus 3/4 minus 2 over 1? Anyone? What is that equal to? This would be like minus 3/4 plus 2 over 1, and the LCD is 4. So we multiply this by 4 over 4. That would be minus 3 plus 8. So it would be 5/4. So here we have to the power of 5/4. And then here would be 5 minus 2 would be 3. So now we're going to raise everything to the power of 2/3. Now we have another property here. We have a to the power of n to the power of m. What is that equal to, anyone? That would be a to the power of what? What do we do with the exponents? We multiply them, n times m. So the exponents here is 1. So here we have 27 to the power of 2/3, a to the power of 5/4 times 2/3, b to the power of 3 over 1 times 2/3, and we start reducing these. So what is 27 to the power of 2/3? Anyone? Okay, that would be 27 to the power of 1/3, and then raise it to the power of 2. So we have one property. If you have a to the power of m over n, you can write this as a to the power of 1 over n, and the whole thing to the power of m. Okay, and if you remember, a to the power of m over n is equal to nth root of a to the power of m. So in this case, this would be the third root of 27. So it would be 3. And then you raise it to the power of 2. That becomes 9. Okay, here would be a to the power of, we can reduce some of these here. That would be 1, that would be 2, that would be 5 over 6. And then here would be b to the power of, okay, the 3 reduces here. B to the power of 2. So the whole thing would be equal to 9. A to the power of 5 over 6. We want to make sure all the exponents are positive, times b to the power of 2. If the exponent turns out to be a negative, we switch that to the positive. The property for that is a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power of plus n. But in this case, all the exponents were positive, so we don't have to worry about that part. Okay, this is how you simplify that. Okay, just to make sure that if everybody followed this, can I see a check mark in front of your name? If you can follow this, please. Okay, so this is how you simplify this. Again, when you try to simplify a over n over a over m, you subtract the exponents. The exponent here is minus 3/4. This is minus 2 over 1. So it would be minus 3/4 minus 2 over 1. That gives you minus 3/4 plus 2 over 1. And the LCD is 4, so you multiply this by 4 over 4. So you get minus 3 plus 8 over 4. That gives you 5 over 4. So that's how we got 5 over 4. And then when we raise it to the power of 2/3, it becomes 5 over 6. Okay, good.